the integration of AI in the legal and medical professions by 2030. Introduction. By the year 2030, the integration of artificial intelligence (AI) into the legal and medical professions is projected to transform these fields dramatically. Historically, doctors and lawyers have earned some of the highest incomes due to their specialized skills and the complexity of their work. However, as AI technologies continue to evolve, they are expected to perform many tasks traditionally carried out by these professionals at a fraction of the cost and time. This report discusses the implications of AI's rise in these sectors, the challenges and opportunities it presents, and the potential future landscape for legal and medical professionals. Economic implications of AI in legal and medical professions. 1. Cost and efficiency. AI systems are projected to perform tasks in both the legal and healthcare sectors at a cost reduction of up to 10,000 times and a speed increase of 1,000 times. By 2030, AI could be included in basic subscriptions or offered for free, fundamentally altering the economic dynamics of these professions. This could lead to an unprecedented reduction in legal and medical fees, making essential services more accessible to broader populations. 2. Automation of routine tasks. Routine tasks such as document review, legal research, and diagnostic procedures are highly susceptible to automation. In the legal field, AI could automate the review of contracts and case law, allowing lawyers to focus on more complex and strategic tasks that require human insight and emotional intelligence. Similarly, in healthcare, AI could enhance diagnostic accuracy and assist in treatment planning, thereby improving patient outcomes. 3. Human element in professional services. Despite AI's capabilities, there remain aspects of both professions that require human intervention. Areas requiring emotional intelligence, ethical judgment, and creative problem solving will still necessitate human professionals. For instance, complex litigation in law and nuanced patient interactions in medicine cannot be fully replicated by AI, ensuring that human professionals remain essential. Opportunities presented by AI. 1. Increased accessibility and equality. AI has the potential to democratize access to legal and medical services. By lowering costs and reducing biases in legal processes, more individuals can obtain legal representation. Similarly, AI can improve diagnostic and treatment options in healthcare, promoting equality in medical care. 2. Enhanced professional roles. Legal professionals can leverage AI to enhance their strategic skills, focusing on areas requiring deep knowledge and human insight. For doctors, AI can support clinical decision-making, allowing them to spend more time on patient care rather than administrative tasks. 3. Innovation and efficiency. The integration of AI encourages the adoption of innovative practices. Legal and medical professionals must adapt to AI technologies, enhancing their workflows and improving overall efficiency. This adaptation fosters a culture of continuous improvement and professional growth. Challenges associated with AI integration. 1. Ethical and moral considerations. While AI can streamline processes, it lacks a moral compass and emotional intelligence. Legal professionals must ensure that AI systems comply with ethical standards and confidentiality obligations. The reliance on AI in sensitive legal matters poses risks if confidentiality and ethical considerations are not adequately addressed. 2. Risk of job displacement. The automation of routine tasks raises concerns over job security for legal and medical professionals. While some roles may become redundant, the demand for professionals skilled in managing AI systems and those who can provide emotional and ethical guidance will remain. 3. Integration and oversight. The effective integration of AI into existing workflows requires careful oversight. Legal and medical professionals must ensure that AI systems are used responsibly, with attention to potential biases in algorithms and adherence to ethical guidelines. Future landscape of the professions. 1. Evolving professional roles. By 2030, legal practitioners may increasingly take on roles as strategic advisors and advocates, focusing on complex litigation and negotiations where human expertise is essential. In healthcare, doctors will likely engage more in patient interactions supported by AI in diagnostics and treatment decisions. 2. Collaboration with technology. The legal and medical professions will evolve into partnerships between humans and AI where technology enhances decision-making and operational efficiency. Professionals will need to develop interdisciplinary skills including technological proficiency to thrive in this changing landscape. 3. Focus on human-centric services. As AI takes over routine tasks, legal and medical professionals will need to prioritize services requiring empathy, creativity, and ethical judgment. The human element will be critical in building trust and ensuring patient and client satisfaction. Conclusion. The integration of AI into the legal and medical professions presents both opportunities and challenges. As these fields evolve, professionals must adapt to new technologies while maintaining the essential human elements that define their expertise. By embracing AI, legal and medical professionals can enhance their efficiency, promote accessibility, and focus on the strategic and empathetic aspects of their work. The future of these professions will depend on balancing the capabilities of AI with the irreplaceable value of human insight and care. Continuous learning and adaptation will be crucial for professionals to thrive in this new landscape, ultimately contributing to a fairer and more innovative society. The content presents several counterintuitive insights regarding the impact of AI on professions such as law and medicine, as well as the broader implications of China's innovation capabilities in comparison to Western countries. Here are some key counterintuitive points. 1. AI's role in high-income professions. While doctors and lawyers are traditionally seen as high-income earners due to their expertise and the complexity of their work, the assertion that AI could perform their tasks 10,000 times cheaper, 1,000 times faster, and perfectly without error by 2030 challenges the perception of their job security. This suggests that expertise and high salaries may not protect these professions from being disrupted by technology, which is a surprising notion given the long-standing view of these roles as indispensable and secure. 2. Emotional intelligence versus automation. The idea that tasks requiring emotional intelligence and ethical judgment will remain predominantly human-led contradicts the general belief that AI will eventually replace most forms of labor, including complex decision-making roles. This highlights a nuanced understanding of human capabilities versus machine efficiency, suggesting that certain aspects of professions may be less automatable than previously thought. 3. Legal and medical accessibility. AI is often viewed as a tool that may lead to job losses, but it also has the potential to democratize access to legal and medical services by making them more affordable and efficient. This perspective flips the narrative from one of fear regarding job loss to one of opportunity for broader societal benefit, which is a counterintuitive viewpoint in discussions about AI's impact on employment. For China's innovation potential, the report posits that China could emerge as a global innovation leader, catching up to or even surpassing the United States in several advanced industries. This challenges the conventional wisdom that views China primarily as a copycat, suggesting that its rapid advancements in technology may not only be due to imitation but also to genuine innovation and strategic planning. The notion that China could lead in sectors like EVs, AI, and quantum computing is particularly surprising given the historical narrative that places Western nations at the forefront of technological innovation. 5. Economic models and competition. The contrast between the US and Chinese economic systems offers a counterintuitive perspective on competition. While Western models emphasize market efficiency and consumer welfare, the Chinese model prioritizes strategic economic power and state intervention. This challenges the narrative that open markets and consumer-driven economies are inherently superior, suggesting instead that a more interventionist approach may be necessary for maintaining competitiveness in a global landscape where state-backed industries thrive. 6. Antitrust in firm size. The idea that larger firms can be beneficial in a competitive landscape, especially against a state-backed adversary like China, contradicts the prevailing sentiment in the US that emphasizes antitrust actions against large corporations. The report argues for a re-evaluation of antitrust policies to consider national competitiveness, suggesting that the U.S. needs to support larger firms in strategic industries rather than break them up, which is a significant departure from traditional economic thinking. 7. Cultural perceptions of innovation. The assertion that China's innovation system can succeed due to its ability to absorb and improve upon foreign technologies contrasts with the belief that cultural and political systems that suppress creativity cannot foster innovation. This challenges the stereotype of China as a stagnant system incapable of producing original ideas, highlighting instead its capacity for growth and adaptation. 8. The urgency of change. The perspective that the U.S. must adopt a national power capitalism model to compete with China suggests a need for a cultural shift in how innovation and economic strategies are perceived. It posits that America's historical reliance on free market principles may no longer suffice in the face of a state-driven competitor, urging a re-evaluation of what economic success looks like in a global context. These counterintuitive insights encourage a rethinking of the narratives surrounding the future of work, the role of technology, and international economic competition, emphasizing the need for adaptability and strategic foresight in both individual professions and national policies. The report presents a compelling analysis of the impending transformations in the legal and medical professions due to the rapid advancement of artificial intelligence (AI). While many discussions around AI focus on its efficiency and cost-effectiveness, several pivotal insights in the report may often be overlooked yet hold significant implications for the future of these professions. 1. AI as a cost-effective solution. One of the most significant yet understated points is the projection that AI will perform the tasks of doctors and lawyers at a staggering reduction in cost, 10,000 times cheaper and 1,000 times faster. This radical shift implies that traditional fee structures in these professions will be challenged, potentially leading to a drastic reduction in income for professionals who may not adapt to this new landscape. The implication is that by 2030, legal and medical services could become commoditized, available through basic AI subscriptions or even for free, radically reshaping accessibility and the economics of these fields. 2. Democratization of services. The potential for AI to democratize access to legal and medical services is a critical yet often overlooked aspect. As AI makes these services more affordable and accessible, it could fundamentally alter the landscape of justice and healthcare, especially for underserved populations. This represents not just an economic shift but a societal one, as broader access to these services can promote equity and fairness within the system. By examining how AI can reduce biases in legal processes and enhance diagnostic accuracy in healthcare, we witness a transformative potential that extends beyond efficiency gains. 3. The human element remains essential. Despite the capabilities of AI, the report emphasizes that areas requiring emotional intelligence, ethical judgment, and creativity will still necessitate human professionals. For instance, complex litigation and strategic advisory roles in law, as well as patient interactions in healthcare, cannot be fully automated. The significance lies in the need for legal and medical professionals to redefine their roles in light of AI technology. The adaptation may involve enhancing skills in areas where human judgment is irreplaceable, ensuring that the value of human expertise is not lost in the transition to AI-driven practices. 4. Ethical and oversight challenges. The report highlights ethical concerns regarding AI's lack of a moral compass, which is crucial in both the legal and medical fields. While AI can analyze data and provide information, it cannot exercise ethical judgment or confidentiality. This raises significant questions about the oversight needed to ensure that AI is used responsibly, especially in sensitive situations involving legal matters or patient care. The importance of maintaining ethical standards amidst the integration of AI is a critical aspect that requires attention from policymakers, practitioners, and technologists alike. 5. Continuous learning and adaptation. For professionals in both fields, the necessity for ongoing education and adaptation cannot be overstated. As AI technologies evolve, legal and medical professionals must enhance their proficiency with these tools and cultivate interdisciplinary skills. The report suggests that collaboration with technologists and policymakers will be essential in shaping an adaptive legal and medical landscape. Continuous learning will empower professionals to leverage AI effectively, ensuring that they remain relevant and valuable in their respective fields. 6. The role of AI in shaping future practices. The report suggests that AI will not only change the way legal and medical tasks are performed but will also redefine the very essence of these professions. The incorporation of AI into legal workflows, for instance, will allow lawyers to focus on more strategic and creative aspects of their work rather than routine tasks. This transformation represents a paradigm shift in how legal and medical professionals view their roles, with the potential to enhance job satisfaction and effectiveness. 7. The importance of collaboration and interdisciplinary approaches. The report emphasizes the need for collaboration between legal and medical professionals and AI technologists. As AI continues to evolve, having professionals who understand both the legal and medical landscape as well as the technological capabilities of AI will become increasingly important. This interdisciplinary approach will facilitate the development of AI tools that are not only technically sound but also ethically and legally compliant. 8. Long-term strategic vision. Finally, the report underscores the necessity for a long-term view in integrating AI within these professions. The focus should not merely be on immediate cost savings and efficiency but also on how AI can contribute to the overarching goals of justice and healthcare. Developing a strategic vision for the future where AI is viewed as a partner rather than a replacement is essential for ensuring that both the legal and medical fields thrive in this new environment. Conclusion. The integration of AI into the legal and medical professions poses both challenges and opportunities that require careful consideration. The insights discussed above, cost-effectiveness, democratization of services, the irreplaceability of human elements, ethical challenges, the need for continuous learning, and interdisciplinary collaboration, are crucial for shaping the future of these fields. As we move toward 2030 and beyond, embracing these transformative changes will be essential for ensuring that the legal and medical professions not only survive but thrive in an AI-driven world. The content provided covers a wide range of topics regarding the impacts of artificial intelligence in the legal and medical professions, the economic dynamics between the US and China, and the future of innovation in these sectors. Here are the 4 most valuable points that warrant in-depth analysis and discussion. 1. The economic disruption of AI in professional services. AI's ability to perform tasks traditionally handled by doctors and lawyers at a fraction of the cost and time is projected to fundamentally disrupt professional services. This raises crucial questions about the future of these professions, including how roles will evolve and the challenges of integrating AI without losing essential human elements like empathy and ethical judgment. Discussion points. Job displacement versus job transformation. Will AI lead to significant job losses, or will professionals adapt by focusing on more complex tasks that leverage human skills? Cost and accessibility. How will AI-driven services democratize access to legal and medical advice, potentially reducing inequalities in these fields? Ethical considerations. What are the ethical implications of relying on AI for critical decision-making in healthcare and law? 2. China's strategic advancements in technology and innovation. The detailed examination of China's state-driven approach to innovation highlights a significant contrast with the US model. China's focus on advancing technological capabilities through aggressive investments and strategic state interventions positions it as a formidable competitor in the global market. Discussion points. Comparative analysis of innovation models. How do the US and Chinese innovation models differ, and what can the US learn from China's approach? Impact on global market dynamics. As China potentially becomes a global leader in various advanced industries, what implications does this have for US firms and economic policy? National security concerns. In what ways do these advancements in technology pose challenges to U.S. national security and economic interests? 3. The role of human elements in AI-driven professions. Despite AI's transformative potential, certain areas within law and medicine remain immune to full automation due to the need for human insight, emotional intelligence, and ethical considerations. This point underscores the ongoing importance of human professionals in these fields. Discussion points. Emotional intelligence in legal and medical practices. How can professionals maintain their roles in the face of automation? And what unique skills will become increasingly valuable? Balancing AI integration with human judgment. How can the legal and medical professions ensure that AI tools enhance rather than replace the human touch? Training and education. How should educational institutions adapt their curricula to prepare future professionals for a landscape increasingly influenced by AI? 4. Global implications of technological competition. The competition between the US and China in advanced industries raises questions about the future of global economic dynamics. The concept of national power capitalism suggests a shift in how countries approach industrial policy and innovation, prioritizing strategic economic goals over traditional market efficiencies. Discussion points. Geopolitical strategies. How should the U.S. respond to China's advancements to maintain its competitive edge in technology and innovation? Collaboration versus competition. Can Western nations find a way to collaborate on shared technological challenges while competing economically? Or is a zero-sum approach inevitable? Long-term economic strategies. What new policies should be implemented to support U.S. firms in maintaining leadership in critical industries? Conclusion. The intersection of AI technology, economic competition, and the evolving roles of professionals in law and medicine presents a complex landscape that necessitates careful consideration of ethical, educational, and policy implications. Each point outlined above not only invites further exploration but also emphasizes the importance of adapting to an increasingly AI-driven world while preserving the essential human elements that define professional practice. The discussion around these themes will be pivotal in shaping the future of work innovation and global economic relations. 1. The case of legal automation and AI in the legal sector. In recent years, the legal profession has seen a dramatic shift towards automation, particularly through AI technologies. Firms are increasingly leveraging AI tools for tasks such as document review, legal research, and contract analysis. A notable example is the use of AI platforms like Ross Intelligence, which utilize natural language processing to enhance legal research efficiency. This evolution is reminiscent of historical shifts in industries due to technological advancements such as the introduction of word processors that transformed administrative roles in law firms. By 2030, many predict that AI will handle a significant portion of routine legal tasks, allowing lawyers to focus on more complex strategic roles that require human insight, emotional intelligence, and ethical judgment. 2. The impact of AI on healthcare. The healthcare industry is undergoing a similar transformation with the integration of AI technologies for diagnostic and treatment purposes. AI systems like IBM's Watson Health have demonstrated the capability to analyze vast amounts of medical data to assist doctors in making informed decisions. This parallels historical cases of automation in manufacturing where robots took over repetitive tasks, leading to increased efficiency and productivity. By 2030, it's anticipated that AI will play an even larger role in healthcare, potentially diagnosing diseases with greater accuracy than human physicians. However, the human element remains crucial for patient interactions, ethical considerations, and complex case management, ensuring that while AI enhances healthcare delivery, it does not replace the need for compassionate care. 3. The rise of Chinese tech giants and global competition. China's rapid advancement in technology and innovation, particularly in sectors like telecommunications, e-commerce, and artificial intelligence, serves as a contemporary parallel to the industrial revolutions of the past. Companies like Huawei and Alibaba have leveraged government support and a vast domestic market to scale quickly and innovate aggressively. This scenario reflects historical instances where nations such as Japan in the 1980s leveraged industrial policy to enhance competitiveness on the global stage. As China continues to invest heavily in R&D and advanced manufacturing, predictions suggest it may overtake traditional tech leaders like the United States in key industries by the 2030s, prompting a re-evaluation of global economic power dynamics similar to shifts seen during past technological revolutions. The integration of artificial intelligence (AI) into the legal and medical professions is expected to revolutionize these fields by 2030. As AI technology advances, the landscape of these professions will undergo significant changes impacting job roles, economic structures, and the accessibility of services. 1. Economic disruption and cost efficiency. AI is predicted to perform tasks traditionally handled by doctors and lawyers at a fraction of the current costs and speeds. By 2030, AI systems may execute legal and medical tasks 10,000 times cheaper and 1,000 times faster than human professionals. This shift will likely make basic legal and medical services available through standard AI subscriptions, democratizing access to these services and potentially reducing economic disparities. 2. Automation of routine tasks. Routine tasks in both fields are the most vulnerable to automation. In the legal profession, AI can handle document reviews, legal research, and contract analysis, allowing lawyers to concentrate on complex strategic tasks that require human insight. In healthcare, AI can assist with diagnostics and treatment planning, significantly improving efficiency and patient outcomes. As automation takes over repetitive tasks, professionals will need to adapt by enhancing their skills in areas requiring emotional intelligence and ethical judgment. 3. Maintaining the human element. Although AI will automate many functions, aspects requiring human interaction, such as emotional intelligence, ethical judgment, and creative problem solving, will still necessitate human involvement. For instance, complex litigation and strategic advisory roles in law will remain critical, as these require nuanced understanding and personal interaction that AI cannot replicate. In healthcare, while AI can aid in diagnostics, the doctor-patient relationship and the human touch will remain vital for effective treatment. 4. Enhancing accessibility and reducing bias. AI has the potential to democratize access to legal and medical services by making them more affordable and efficient. In law, AI can help reduce biases in legal processes, ensuring fairer outcomes. In healthcare, AI can improve diagnostic accuracy and expand treatment options, promoting equality in medical care. As AI systems become more integrated into these professions, they could help bridge gaps in service access, particularly for underserved populations. 5. Ethical considerations and oversight. The integration of AI into legal and medical practices raises ethical concerns. AI systems lack a moral compass and emotional intelligence, which are crucial in sensitive situations. Safeguarding confidentiality and ethical standards will require careful oversight as these technologies are adopted. Legal and medical professionals must ensure the responsible use of AI, integrating it into their practices without compromising the foundational principles of their professions. 6. Future adaptation and continuous learning. The legal and medical professions must embrace continuous learning and adaptation to thrive in an AI-driven landscape. Professionals will need to develop interdisciplinary skills, combining legal or medical expertise with technological proficiency. Collaboration with technologists, policymakers, and other stakeholders will be essential in shaping a future where technology and humanity coexist harmoniously. 7. Timeline of transformation. Present to 2025. Initial AI implementations will occur in routine tasks within legal and medical fields, with early adopters leading the way in document review and diagnostic support. 2025 to 2030, more complex applications of AI will emerge, with professionals adapting to the changing landscape. Legal professionals will enhance strategic and interpersonal skills while healthcare providers will leverage AI to support patient interactions. By 2030, AI will become a staple in both professions, fundamentally altering workflows and expanding access to services. The balance between technology and human interaction will be crucial in maintaining the integrity of these fields. Conclusion: the integration of AI into the legal and medical professions presents both opportunities and challenges. As these fields evolve, it is essential to strike a balance between leveraging AI's capabilities and preserving the human elements that define them. Professionals who proactively embrace change, invest in new skills, and uphold their core values will lead the way in ensuring that the legal and medical professions not only survive but thrive in the era of AI. The future of law and healthcare is poised to be brighter, more efficient, and more inclusive than ever before, ultimately contributing to a fairer and more innovative world.